Literature review. A research literature review is a systematic, explicit, and reproducible method for identifying, evaluating, and synthesizing the existing body of completed and recorded work produced by researchers, scholars, and practitioners, according Fink a 2005, Conducting Research Literature Review, London said. Review of literature is defined as an extensive, exhaustive, and systematic examination of publication to the research project. Review of literature is a critical summary of research on a topic of interest generally, prepared to put a research problem into context or to identify gaps and weaknesses in prior studies so as to justify a new investigation, according Pollitt and Hangler, 1995. A literature review is body of the text that aims to review the critical points of knowledge on particular. Review of literature is one of the most important steps in the research process. It is an account of what is already known about a particular phenomenon. The main purpose of literature review is to convey to the readers about the work already done and the knowledge and ideas that have been already established on particular topic of research.
Literature review synonym conceptual database literature. 1. Theoretical literature. 2. Scholarly non-research literature. 3. Scholarly work. 4. Soft versus hard science literature. 5. Review of the literature article. 6. Concept analysis article. 7. Empirical literature. 8. Scientific literature. 9. Research literature. 10. Scholarly research literature. 11. Research study. 12. Study.
The short literature review. Research method for business students by Mark Sander. 1. Books. 2. Journal article. 3. Electronic journal. 4. Newspaper. 5. Magazine. 6. Thesis and dissertation. 7. Conference proceeding. 8. Report and documentaries.
Purpose of review literature. There are 1. To delimit and define his problem. 2. To up-to-date the knowledge. 3. To avoid unintentional duplication of well-established findings. 4. To get the understanding of research methodology. 5. To know about the recommendation of previous researches. 6. It helps to know how your study adds to existing literature.
Technique of quote and writing references. Literature review definition. 1. Systematic identification and location of documents concerning information related to the research problem. 2. Mujenda and Mujenda 199 29 report that the reviewing of literature involves the systematic identification, location and analysis of documents containing information related to the research problem being investigated. Literature review process. Identify key issues to be addressed by the literature review. 1. Clarify the research topic. 2. Relationship between variables. 3. Be specific on the problem literature should address. Identify source of information. 1. Books. 2. Article. 3. Professional paper. Tips on good literature review. Is it important to check daily newspaper because content very educative and current information educative?
Journal article MLA 7 style. 1. Text citation. 2. English writing instruction is very difficult, but the task is even greater in EFL student. 3. In-text citation. Paraphrase. Koisiri mentioned that EFL students often consider that writing is challenge. 4. Reverend Koisiri. Implementing a genre pedagogy to the teaching of writing in a university context in Thailand. Book MLA 7 style. 1. In-text citation. Methodology is defined as the underlying theory and analysis of how research does or should process. 2. In-text citation. Paraphrase. The way we conduct research in composition student is known as methodology. 3. Reference. Method and methodology is composition research.
How to write a direct quote. 1. The author quote with a distance of 3 spaces from the text. 2. The distance between quote lines is 1 space. 3. Quotation can be enclosed in double quotes or not. 4. After quoting a short statement is given. How to write a direct quote. 1. Quotations are interrupted with text. 2. Distance between the quote lines is double space. 3. Quotations are not enclosed in quotation mark or quotation marks. 4. After the quote, the source of the quote is written.
The purpose of reviewing relevant research and technique. 1. To avoid plagiarism. 2. Showing the breadth of research. 3. To acknowledge direct quotes. 4. To provide evidence to support argument. 5. Allowing the reader to verify data. 6. The purpose of literature review is to convey to the reader previous knowledge and fact, establishing a topic and their strength and weakness. 7. The literature review allows the reader to be updated with the state of research in a file and any contradiction that may exist with challenge finding of other research studies. 8. It helps to develop research investigative tools and to improve research methodologies. 9. It also provides the knowledge about the problem faced by the previous research while studying same topic. Besides and changing research knowledge about the topic, writing a literature review.
Technique Mendeley. 1. Indexing your PDF with http://www.mendeley.com. 2. Registers and download. 3. Open Mendeley desktop. 4. Adding PDFs. 5. Reviewing information. 6. Adding scanned PDFs. 7. Reviewing documents. Detail what folders click on tools, options, which folders you'll save your PDF to the same folder. You can identify this folder and Mendeley will automatically add this PDF to your library. 8. Insert citation in your articles. Install the Word or OpenOffice plugin. These install toolbar buttons that will allow you to cite a document and generate a bibliography. Click Insert Citation within your documents. Select the document in Mendeley desktop and click Send Citation to Word. You can also cite multiple documents. 9. Hold the Ctrl key or the CMD key on Mac and left-click the documents you want to cite. Select the citation style in the drop-down menu in your word processor. Generate a bibliography by clicking Insert Bibliography, Mendeley toolbar. 10. Installing additional citation style. Open Support Portal, installing additional citation style. Click on Adding New Citation Style to Mendeley Desktop, and then the word here, a repository of currently available styles, can also be found here.
11. Finding your style in the repository. Type the name of the journal style you require in the research window. 12. Finding your style in the repository. Type the name of the journal in the box. Click on Install. 13. Move the style file. Click on Save File. This will save the file to your My Documents or Downloads folder. Navigate to the Downloads folder and copy the file or drag the file to the Mendeley desktop. 14. Citations Style folder. They should be located on your C drive in the Program Files folder. 15. Installing additional citation style. Watch the video. 16. Find the style in Mendeley Desktop. If you have Mendeley Desktop open, quit the program and reopen. Click on View, Citation Style, More Style. 17. Find the style in Mendeley Desktop. Navigate to the style you have added. Click on your selected style. This will be the style applied to the paper and bibliography you are writing.